Okay, look here, everybody. We say the interview will last for 45 minutes. Okay, so how about the interview here? What do we call the interview here? Mariam, what do you think about the interview? What do we call it?
Subject.
Exactly, that's good. That's the subject. Okay, well, and what's will, Abdul Rahman? What's will?
Present or no? No. Well.
Okay. What do we use will for?
Objective.
No, my dear. What do we use will for? What is it for? Is it for present or for future?
For future.
That's correct. So, do you think that's a main verb or a helping verb?
Main verb.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yes.
What is the verb? What is the verb that gives a meaning to the sentence here? Is it will or last?
Well.
What do you think, Mariam?
Last.
That's correct. The verb that gives the meaning to the sentence is called the main verb, okay? While the word will here, or the verb will here, which is used only for the tense or used for future, we call it helping verb. What do we call it?
Helping verb.
That's correct. So that's helping verb, okay? Plus, and what's last? As we said before, we said the main
verb.
That's correct, the main verb, okay? So that's very simply the future tense or the future form and how it is formed. Well, Abdul Rahman, let's say, for example, if I want to change the interview here to be any other subject, okay, or any other object. Let's, for example, the film. So how can you complete the sentence here?
I think it has many meanings, Mr. Mahmoud.
What does have many meanings?
In my opinion, the film maybe will last for 45 minutes.
That's good. For
the film.
For what? For 55.
For 45 minutes.
No
55
problem.
minutes.
That's good. Okay. Wonderful.
The film is going to take 55 minutes to end, for example.
No, the film will last for 55 minutes. It's correct, just like that. Okay.
Okay.
Be careful. Again, it's going to here. Okay. If there's something which is planned and fully planned, so here we use is going to.
Will take. What about will take? Will take. The film will take 45 minutes.
Will take 45 minutes to what? To start, to end?
Start or to end?
No.
Yeah.
So here you have to complete with to and a verb. But here will last for 55 minutes. It means the duration of the film is 55 minutes.
55 minutes, yes.
You got it? So be careful here.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Sure, go ahead.
So instead of will take, can I say the film or it takes 45 minutes to end? It takes. I'm talking about the duration. It takes instead of will take.
It takes
5
45
minutes
minutes
to end.
end or to start. Yes, that's correct. Okay. So be careful again. The use of words or the use of vocabulary actually is very somehow perplexing. You have to be very accurate while choosing or selecting the words you're going to use. Okay. So last here is totally different from take. If you say take, so you need to complete. You need to give a proper completion. But last here, you can use last as it is with no completion. The film will last for 55 minutes or 65 minutes or whatsoever. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Abdul Rahman?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay,
Yeah, I got it.
let's say, for example, she. So Mariam, could you complete the sentence here? Of course, with any other completion, not necessarily to give the same example up there.
Using will also?
Of course, what do you think? Of course, will.
She will attend the meeting at 7.
Wonderful, very good. Okay. So, what do you think about the sentence here, which is shaded before you? Is it affirmative or negative?
Affirmative.
That's good. Okay, so can we make this sentence negative, Abdul Rahman?
She's not. Second.
Take your time.
He will attend the meeting too. She will not attend the meeting.
Exactly, that's correct. She will not attend the meeting.
I don't know, but I'm always thinking outside the box. I don't know why.
No, be careful.
I don't like the simple.
You're genius.
Okay, let me tell you something, Abdul Rahman. That's actually a bit of the problem many people do have here in Egypt, okay? They try to complicate things while it's actually, or they're very simple, okay? Everything is just before you. She'll not attend, or she will attend the meeting at 7. So just to make it negative, what do we need? It's only that tool.
Yes.
Okay, so she will not attend the meeting. She will not attend the meeting at 7. That's all. Okay.
Okay. What about she will not attending? Okay. Yeah, that's true.
Again, you're trying to complicate. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, be careful. You try all the time to keep the same form before you. That's here. Here it's attend. Okay. So what is the need for making it attended?
What if?
What if
we removed at 7 and the what?
Okay, tell me your question. Say your question, please.
What if we removed at 7 and put instead today or yesterday or tomorrow? It will be the same meaning or the same sentence?
No, my dear. No. Here, when I say to you, she will attend the meeting at 7. Okay, I'm giving you, or I'm stating a certain time here. So when I ask you to negate or to make it negative, so I want you to negate the exact time I'm giving here, which is 7. You understand?
Okay.
Okay, yes. It will be very, listen here, it will be very clear from the next point, from the following point immediately. Just look at that. Okay, here's a question. Here's a question. And here I say, I will visit my aunt next week. So I want, sorry, let's make that here, yes. So can you help me make a question to that answer, Abdul Rahman, please?
Okay. I have 2 questions. Okay. will you visit your aunt next week? That's the first.
Okay. Actually, this is the correct
second
one.
question?
You didn't need, no, wait a minute. You didn't need to give the second
Okay.
question because this is the correct one. Will you visit your aunt next week? Okay. So this is the
Okay.
correct question, by the way.
Okay.
Okay. Be careful, or I mean, pay attention to the following point. Here is A, and we need a question, and down here, that's B. Mariam, I want you to help me with that, please. No,
Okay.
she will not go to the party next Friday. So could you help me please make a question to that answer down there?
Will she go to the party next Friday?
Will she go to the party next Friday? So Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman.
Yes, I'm here.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So what is the time stated here in the question?
Next Friday.
Great. And what is the answer to the question here?
No.
Great. No, she will not. So here I'm negating what?
Going.
I'm negating what here? I'm negating the time. I'm negating the action, and at the same time, I'm negating the timing, which is next Friday. You understand? So you just need, or you have to keep the time, you have to keep the action. Okay?
Okay.
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 Good. Wonderful. So now let's move to the following task. As you see here, we have like a conversation or a dialogue between two people, and your job here is to provide or to fill in the missing gaps, okay? I'm giving you like 2 minutes to do that.
Okay.
Please go.
كنت اكتر حاجه بكرهها يا مستر محمود في امتحاناتك الدايلوج والله.
Don't worry, I'll make it very simple, or I'll try to simplify it for you as much as possible. Don't worry.
اوكي اوكي انا بهزر.
Have you finished? So Abdul Rahman and Mariam, are you done there?
Not yet. I'm in the last question.
Okay, take your time. Mariam, are you done there? Mariam? Mariam,
Yes, I'm here.
have you finished?
Yeah, I finished.
Abdul Rahman.
Yes.
Okay, so could you tell us, please, what the first one is?
Okay. Will Grace
Grace.
Grace
Yes.
have an interview on Monday, September 21?
What do you think, Mariam?
Question mark.
Yes.
Yeah,
he's
that's
right.
correct. Wonderful. Okay, so please do number 2.
Will